Hey guys, it's Mikia, and I built this thing when I was bored. I just wanted to show it to you guys. So, it's sort of like a academy. Not done with it yet. It's just like, you can see there's no roof on it. I might get rid of these beacons. Maybe only put one. Like that. This is just too, I don't know, too much. Yeah, so the rooms are like this. There's snow in here right now. There's not supposed to be snow. But I'll get rid of it later. These are kind of like lockers, you can see. See, there's 8 chairs. Yeah. There's a blackboard. Tried adding some, what are they called? Oh yeah, string. So it looks like, I don't know, chalk marks or something. Kind of hard to see though. So yeah, it's not finished yet. As you can see, this is the dorm, if you didn't know. I'll show that to you in a second. There's no door on it. See? Student dormitory. These buttons used to open the door, but it's kind of got in my way, so I took it out just for the time being. Yeah, this is just random stuff. And these are rooms. As you can see, this is room 101, green room, and so on. So yeah, the rooms are really, all these rooms are different. See, this is the first room. It's 2 people to a room, as you can see. There's chest. And they're like, these are supposed to be closing hooks. There's a desk here. Clock. And the card goes table and chairs. Simple. The cactuses look really weird. And this room has just a couch. This rug. They all vary. You know, not every single room is the same, you know. And this kind of looks like an egg to me. So I added yellow on the corners. There's just 2 couches here. Desk. This part of all the rooms is the same, except for the plant. Am I jumping around too much? As you can see upstairs, there's just more rooms. Random stuff here. Look, this plant is on the crafting bench, not on the table. Oh, and this room is kind of different. There's a, what do you call this? Forgot. Patio? I don't know. And you have a nice view of the academy. Oh, I forgot to go there. I'll do that then. And this room is covered in snow. This carpet is similar to the egg one. It's just different colors. I ran out of ideas. And I got really bored. So I added a secret passage. And can't even see it. Unless you go up here and see the little hole. I don't know if you can see that. And this is basically the best room here. It's the size of 2 rooms. It's for 2 people, and they both have like, I don't know what you call it, king size beds. Super large carpet. They have their own chest. So then just an extra one back there, and they also have a furnace. Yeah. And they have like a super large bookshelf. And they have a big box. There's no records in it. And each of them have a plant. Why did I put a mushroom there? It looks so ugly. It looks like root beer was like foam coming out of it. And yeah. And there's also like the roof place. Do cat parties and go like all crazy stuff up here. And then there's a nice view. Look, it's the sunrise. Let's go watch the sunrise. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, and continuing, this is an abandoned place. It used to be a clothing shop, so people could come here like buy different clothes, but it didn't work out too well. The lighting is temporary. It'll get destroyed later and replaced. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay-ish. I'm not good at building. And yeah. And here is the familiar quarters. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is sort of like a mage school. You know, like school of magic. And then there's like classes that teach how to brew potions and stuff. These are just familiars. Oh no, I destroyed the book. Uh-oh. Do I have extra books in here? Oh yeah, I do. So this book is called First Familiars. Hello. Blah 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 blah. This teaches you stuff. You pick a dog or cat. You get 1 egg. And then you choose a treat. You take a couple of them. You take your snacks. I haven't done that yet. And if you get a dog, you get like choose a collar color. Yeah, and also name them. See? Light blue color. Cyan color. Yeah. And I don't know why, but I added stars here. Yeah. That was when the update first came out, and I just like started like randomly naming and things and stuff and adding enchantments. And then floating blocks. Yay! Oops. And over here is the shopping center. I try to make every building unique, but that didn't work really well. And then I started doing like random stuff, like adding trees, and yeah, it just got weird. This is the Whimsical Weapons and Tools outlet. I haven't finished doing stuff here yet. This is just like a tool store. There's gonna be like sword, an axe, a pickaxe, and a shovel. Or maybe I'll put the sword in the other store. I don't know. And add a hole there. I don't know. Yeah, this is just like designing the place. Remember this place? I did the floors. Looks so weird in the regular texture pack. Ugh. Okay, I guess. Oh well. This is the seed place. You know, it used to be just one floor, but I couldn't fit everything in it. So I sort of had to like add this. I'm gonna like create a way to get like up here somehow. And there are like these stairs. Link up here. Go inside. But why are these stairs here? And there's these like plants. You can buy some. I couldn't find a way how to put the cactus here. Might have to use like MC Edit or something. And for the reeds, I just put some water there. It looks cool. Little waterfall coming out of there. And the building looks sort of natural. It's like a leaf coming out and there's like wood there. I like it. It's nice. So yeah, that's... Oh yeah, this place. I don't like this now. I don't know why I chose this biome. And I just like started like covering it with half slabs. And some lighting. Most of them look so ugly in regular texture pack. I don't know. I'll change it to redstone layouts properly. Frozen pig! And this is a huge farm. Is everything grown? Yeah, almost everything. I'll go press the switch. Yeah, these letters will have to go. Let's see. Yay! Water! Dang, I hope we plant everything. Oh, wait. Dang it. I forgot to open the thing at the bottom. Wait. The shift is off. Just put it here. Where did I get these poison things? Are they here? Maybe I have to make this higher. There's like stuff getting stuck on here. It's my first huge farm. I wish like villagers would actually do something like if they're like farmer villagers, they'll actually like plant crops. You know what I mean? So that way I could just like place a couple villagers here and then they will like plant everything for me. Yep. Oh, they dropped business. I didn't know that. And then after it's done, everything comes down here.